Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys I know this is really bad lighting, but I'm actually doing the 24 hours in my car. I've never done anything like this, so we'll see how it goes. They already locked me out over there. They're over there. They already locked me out, so I'm literally stuck in here. And yeah, a ver qué pasa. Por los que no me entienden, me tengo que estar aquí en el carro por 24 horas. A ver cómo me va. A ver si aguanto por 24 horas. Pero sí. A ver. A ver qué show. Nunca he hecho esto. I've never done this. So we'll see how it goes. Y sí. Mira todas las cosas que tengo. A ver, you guys can't. No me pueden mirar, ¿verdad? O sí me pueden mirar. ¿Sí, verdad? Un poquito. Ok. Sí, un poquito me pueden mirar. Bueno, pues. Lo que traje son. ¿Qué? A ver. Me traje unos snacks. Me traje una. Voy a quitarme esta cosa. Me traje unas palomitas. Unos goldfish. Y luego pues obviamente agua porque me voy a morir de sed. Y luego una varita de peanut butter. Bar of peanut butter soap. A ver qué pasa. A ver, ojalá que sí aguante. Pero sí, es todo lo que traje. Y luego traje mi pues mi cobija. Mi perro se me queda bien. Mi cobija, mi almohada, mi cargador, el teléfono, mis audífonos y mi bata. A ver si aguanto este frío también. Let's see if I can freaking handle this coldness, because it's pretty dang cold, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. A ver si aguanto. Pero vamos a hacerlo. Sí podemos, sí. We can do this. Sí podemos hacer esta cosa, ¿no? Of course you can. Se me queda bien las. Ahorita mis sobrinas se me quedaron viendo como que tía Gisela, ¿dónde vas? Y esto que el otro, pero ya les dije dónde venía y pues aquí venía en el carro nomás un poquito. Pero sí, a ver. También me traje mi laptop, my computer. I brought it to like watch shows and like Netflix or something. And yeah. So, challenge starts now. ¿Qué horas son? Apenas son las 8:18 de la mañana. Oh my gosh. It's barely 8:18 p.m. Si no me creen, mira, apenas son las. Ay, voy a poner esta cosa aquí en la rosario. Apenas son las 8:18 de p.m. Hey guys, so it's been an hour. Barely. It's been an hour. It's currently 9 o'clock. And we're just chilling here. I'm listening to music. I feel like this is a weird angle, but I'm listening to music. What else? I've ate my little popcorn thing that I had. I ate that. So I don't know, it looks so weird with like not that much nails. Ignore that, please. But yeah, I have to burp. But no fucking way! Are you fucking serious? No manches. Is my doors locked? My doors. They're just coyotes. Nomás son coyotes. I shouldn't be afraid of that. Nomás son coyotes.
5 minutes later.
Stop fucking playing with me, bro. It had to happen when I had. It had to happen today. It had to happen tonight. Are you serious? Well, I'll update you guys in an hour or two. Hopefully, I can fall asleep. If not, we'll see what happens. So, I'll update you guys when I'm in a little bit. So, yeah. Bye! Is that money or is me? Hey guys, I know I look a little bad right now, but I just wanted to update you guys for a little bit. It's currently 12:23 a.m. Son las 12:23 de la mañana. Y sí me he dormido. I have gone to sleep. Pero nada más un poquito me pude dormir. No me puedo dormir mucho. I couldn't fall asleep that good. Because, you know, I'm used to my bed. So, yeah. Ay, perdón que me mire así, pero es que sí me acosté un poquito. Nomás les quería decir que pues qué hora era y pues toda la cosa y qué estaba haciendo. But I just wanted to update you guys what I was doing and all. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's currently 5:33 in the morning. Oh, I was fine. I was asleep and I just hear that like it's like kind of raining. As you can see, it's like raining, but there's like a little bit of like snow coming into it too. Like I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's currently 5:34 in the morning. Oh, chingo de sueño tengo. Ahorita me voy a acostar ahorita, pero I just wanted to update you guys and like can you guys see it? It's like, I don't know. It's like como agua nieve or something like that. I don't know. It's pretty cool. That's what woke me up. That sound. But, yeah. I've been turning on the heater a little bit in my car because it do be getting cold. But yeah. I just wanted to update you guys on what time it was and all, like, you know. So we just got a few more hours to go and then we'll be good. We're good. How many hours? Like 2, 3 more hours? Somewhere around there. But yes. A dormir. And ahorita los miro en un ratito. Bye. Hey guys. So
I know the last clip that you guys saw was, it was 5 in the morning and I had just woke up from a little nap. After that, I went back to sleep and I woke up around 8:13ish. I forgot to film that clip where I got out of my car or whatever. But after that, I came inside, I took a little nap. It's like, well, I don't know if it's a little nap, but I came back inside and I took a nap because I was pretty tired. I'll tell you that. I did not sleep at all when I was in the car. I barely slept. I really thought that it was something like gonna like gonna be easy, but it was not. It was really not. But yeah, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it again. Probably not. I don't know. But yeah. Um, I hope you guys like this video. I think that's all. Hopefully that's all. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. But I think that's all. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in my video. Peace. Bye.